This is how you can make money with Digistore24. I already made a video on how you can create your account, and you can check that video. But in today's video, I want to show you the products you can promote as a beginner, the beginner friendly products. So as a beginner, look for products that are affordable and easy to promote. So let's log in and check out these products. So log in and click on marketplace. Then choose digital products and go to the business and investment niche. Then click on cart conversion to get the best product. So here, come and choose a product that you can easily promote. And one of the products is this Millionaire Secrets. Let's check it out. It goes for $17. You can afford this, and these are the information you'll be able to get. Dropshipping, Mastercard, Amazon FBA. So for you to promote this product, you can just copy the promo link, but let's check the sales page and see if it's worth it. So I think this is a nice product that will teach you different ways to make money online, and you can easily promote. All you need to do is to purchase this product and make a review about it, and then share it. Yes, you can share it on YouTube, TikTok. I think those are the best platforms you can share it. So this is one of the products you can promote. Let's check out other products in different niches. So let's go to the fitness and health and check out a product we can also promote. So find something affordable. First, click on cart conversion. Then come and check products that you can easily promote. So currently I'm promoting this one. Let's check this out. This is not a beginner product you can promote, so let's try another one. Something cheaper that you can easily purchase and make a review about. So I saw a product here of around $12. So here is the Keto Snap cookbook. It goes for $12. And let's check out the sales page. So always check out the sales page to see if it's a good product that you can easily sell. So I think this is a nice one for the health and fitness niche. You can promote this one. Just purchase it and make a review about this product. You can see that's a nice sales page. So let's check out another product, another niche. There's internet marketing niche. Let me scroll down here. There's this one, internet marketing. Let me get rid of this. So there are amazing products here. Click on cart conversion. So this is a product I recommend for anyone. And if you are new to affiliate marketing, you can purchase this. I can recommend this one for anyone getting started with affiliate marketing. So let's check out the sales page. For only $4 you can get these 4 products and workshop recording. So these are nice products you can promote. These are all the courses you will get when you purchase this product. And see, the sales page is just amazing. You can easily promote this product and it's affordable, and you will earn 100% commission from promoting this product. So make sure you promote this one. Make a review, buy and make a review. Then the last niche for beginners is the home and garden. I think I saw amazing products here that you can promote. So here are some of the products you can promote in this niche. Click cart conversion. As you can see, the cart conversion here is 19%. These are amazing products you can promote. So let's check out this one, the sales page. You earn 72% commission on the initial product purchase 75% commission for physical app sales, and 90% for digital sale, app sale. So this is an amazing product you can also promote. You know, it's hard to find the best product to promote on Digistore24. Most of the products are just pathetic, but you can always find nice products you can promote like this one. So I think I've done all the research on the products on Digistore24, and what I've shared in this video are the best products you can promote on Digistore24. You can also go forward and search for other products, but I just made work easier for you as a beginner. So if you have gotten any value in this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and you can always share this video. So that's all I had for today, and in the next video I'll be reviewing one of the products in order for you to learn how to make a review about a product and make money on Digistore24. So that's all I had for today.